Well, hi, howdy, and hello. You found joy today, and I'm feeling crafty. You might have seen this in my other video. I showed it for half a second. This was my yard sale find. Got it for, it was expensive. I was hard. It was $1. I know. Could barely bring myself to do it, but I did. And here she is. She even got a little thingamahopper there. She's had some better days, but so have I. And we're gonna clean her up and make her all festive. What do you think? Silas loves it, so now he saw it and he likes it. I gotta do it. So come on, do it with me. Get a copy. Let's go.
All of these new tools and devices, storms and rain, and now we have new guys. Thanks to Porter for lending us this staging. Game changing. Crystal, there's another. Look, I'm fine. Think about it. This is almost half. It's like a third.
She's clean. We still have this glue spot that won't come off, but I will cover that up nicely, huh? She's pretty. What do you want? Why are you down there? Get out of my purse. Good morning. Oh, it's early. I couldn't sleep, and this thing was on my mind, so here I am. Painting. I thought, well, I'm already halfway through, and I hadn't showed you. Didn't want to let you feel left out. But it's a painting kind of morning. I got a lot of stuff in my brain, and so this is how I deal. It's sucking the paint up. Like, seriously. This is one coat. It barely looks like there's anything there. So, this will take me a minute, but I know you don't want to watch all this. So let's use some magic. I put a coat of red paint on the flag. Just seemed the right thing to do. And actually, I think I'm going to glue the flag in the up position. And now it's time to start adding some decorations to the bottom. Oh, ignore that. I have another little project going on. If you didn't see my short the other day, I found this little friend while I was cleaning out a box. And I decided to do a whole craft around him. I love him. Little hands behind his back. So while I was thinking about adding him in here, he's way too small, I think. So I'm going to do another project just for you. And it includes the furniture. This is another present for Christmas. I got to get to work. Okay, let's a little bit more paint up there and start decorating. I know I film in an odd place. It looks all junky, and I'm trying to work on that. Dang, I got a lot to do. Including this stuff. And let me say, am I not the only one? Like, I got 10 projects going all at once. I got this one. I'm doing some Christmas stuff I don't want to say yet. I got the little box that, yeah. I try to do it all at once. Plus, I'm doing dishes. I'm cooking. I'm waiting on a delivery. This light's bad, right? We gotta move this. Alright, we'll figure this out a little better, but the flag is red. I have collected greenery, so we're probably good there. I've got garland and ribbon lights, and I think I should put the lights on first. Okay, let's do this. Time to... am I the only one? Let me know in the comments below. Do you get a little overwhelmed at just making the first leap? I want it to be great. I don't want to mess it up. What do you think? What? Hi.
I'm so sorry. Let me wash your cape.
Your super cape. I'll put it on. And I'm doing this too, so yeah. We do a lot, don't we? Okay, we'll do it.
Cheese.
What do you want people to see?
Cheese.
Cheese. Click, click. Click, click. Click, click. No! I gotta do stuff. Run. Show me how you run. 1, 2, 3, go! It's the only way to get rid of him. Oh, by the way, I'm watching a little Endless Adventure. Do you guys watch that?
Let me know.
Okay. How do I get stuff done? I don't have a clue. You coming back? Ta-da! You're a superhero. Last one, go. Alright, since I have all this jumble, I'm gonna organize it. Use a little magic. Ready, set. So I think this motivated me. Ooh, I missed a tag. This motivated me a little bit. By cutting things and getting them in a better position to be glued on, it made me make some decisions. Like this one, I really didn't cut apart. I've left it in one big bundle, so I think that's my starting point. So yay, decisions made. I'm no good at decisions. Just not. No, but look, this is coming out so cute. Like I said, I'm doing 5 things at once. I have a little mermaid friend. I think this is adorable. Little Christmas ornament. It is now. For my little mermaid friend in Kentucky. And here we go. We're finally finished. After procrastination, adding in a little bit more here and there, I added on the white S on the flag, a little greenery around, put in our first Christmas card, got on December 9th, and our little buddy the mouse has a place now. I'm also, since I found 2 of those, I have another little project going on that I'm hoping to share with you soon. Oh, and here, let me turn the lights on. So this is where the finished product ended up in the house, right here on my joy board. We put all of our Christmas cards here, and we're using the mailbox to store the envelopes so I can keep the addresses. And I love this project. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe got a little Christmas inspiration from our friend, the Christmas Mouse. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you from all of us here at the Joiners. Thank you so much for watching now and all year through.